Baby Barangay is here in Dusit, Manila. We're really excited because we're about to start our cooking class.
Yes, we're in Benjarong and yeah, we'll be learning how to cook 3 Thai dishes. I'm excited.
Can't wait. I'm excited to eat.
Let's go!
Salad.
I'm excited.
Salad.
I love that.
Green curry.
What's
The
for
new dessert that I call yum yum dessert. I'm just kidding. I don't know. Yum yum.
Sounds Thai though. Yum yum.
It's yummy. I promise.
And I'm very lucky because I have a super best friend who loves me.
Yay!
It's always great to try something new with your girlfriends, and if it involves food, then that's an extra plus, of course. And since the Baby Barangay mamas are all happy foodies, signing up for a cooking session was an easy yes.
Okay, there. Again.
And then
There. This is proof that she is a legitimate model because she can make it work. And the stylist ever stylish. Even if apron lang yan, Banks has to make the ribbon perfect.
The Benjarong Restaurant in Dusit Manila Hotel now offers private cooking sessions, which is perfect for small barcadas, office mates, or even families to do together.
I'm trying to figure this out. Luckily, there's a mirror.
You get a fully staffed kitchen all to yourselves, which will definitely make you feel like real chefs. Well, even for just a few hours at least.
We're making the sauce on pomelo salad.
almost done. Not quite.
The cooking session works for everyone, from the non-cooks like Patty to the happy kitchen divas like Kat and Nicole.
Feels like there's a test after this. This is how Kat multitasks. She's actually cooking and shooting at the same time.
The chef was very thorough and walked us through each step of the recipe, making it very engaging and interesting for us girls.
Actually, Jay is really here and he's ready for your curry. He's there. He's ready for your curry. So don't mess up.
I'm sorry, but I have to go. I have a homeroom meeting and I'm the parent rep of my son's class, so I won't be able to make the 3rd dish, but I'm going to count on the girls to make my dish for me and bring it to my house.
After completing our 3 dishes, the pomelo salad, Thai curry, and the iced water chestnuts for desserts, we were even given our own diplomas. It was like graduating with honors.
Thank you very much.
So if you're looking for something new and fun to do and learn with your friends, then this cooking class at Benjarong will work for you.
Cheers, girls!
Cheers!
Thank you again so much to Dusit Manila for inviting the Baby Barangay to this special Thai culinary experience. Catch us again next week for more Baby Barangay adventures.
It actually invited a group for like 8 to 10 people. It's very intimate.
And yeah, the way to do it is you need to call reservations for Benjarong. Perfect for your family or your girlfriends or anyone who you want to cook and learn Thai dishes with. So
Perfect. Thank you again, Chef.
thank you so much.
Thanks so much for inviting me to Barangay.
And now it's time to eat. Excited. As a fashion stylist, my days are always go, go, go. Between meetings, pullouts, and shoots, it's always hard to carve out time to do my banking. But ever since I signed up for Union Bank Online, it has become such a breeze. I can easily set an appointment with just a few clicks on my phone and make transactions within minutes. My name is Bianca, and this is how I bank.